What'd you find on the bus, Connor? I'm taping.
Oh yeah.
Finding a little bit of rust?
Got a lot of rust going on.
Oh, that ain't a lot.
Must have done a lot of winter driving.
That's just some box steel that's totally rotten. Yeah, but the other side's solid. We looked over there and it looks pretty decent.
Mostly. I mean,
over here, this looks kind of crappy.
That looks pretty shitty over there too.
Oh, so you know what this is? This is a box built on the side, basically.
It is.
So we brought it over from the other side of the road where we had it parked all winter. If I ever get a chance, get working on it. So I brought it closer over to the barn, so closer to the tools and stuff. And working on the old Eagle. Yeah, well, gotta get some steel. 1.5 by 1.5 steel tube with an 1/8 inch wall thickness, right?
And then 3/4 by 1.5 inches.
3/4 by 1.5 too for the bottom edge down there.
Yep.
Awesome. Looks like I'm gonna have to dig into this. This is just a weather strip, glue on, and behind it are the screws, and they hold on this hinge part, and holds on this piece of trim. All this stuff's pretty floppy, so I have to do something. There's a big piece of box steel up in here that is kind of rusted out. No, I don't think you can see it on a tape, but yeah, maybe you can see that. It's just pretty rotten. And that looks to be like something a different size. So I'm gonna dig my way into there and find out what size that is so I can order up that steel. I just stripped that weather strip right off the whole side of the bus. So all the way down, it seems like some places the screws are okay. And other places they rusted off a little bit and popped out. Like here's loose. We'll try to do something about this. So I'll probably wind up taking all these out. I don't happen to have all my tools with me today, but because I need my drill and stuff like that, and I don't have it. This back here seems to be a problem spot. Of course, there's a little D-lam here. I can see where it's popping around a little bit, but you know what? I'm not gonna panic over it. Not until, yeah, it's pretty hard most of it.
Resources.
All right, so I took this piece of trim off the front half of it. It's kind of wet here, but it rained last night. I don't think that's water coming in because this wall all seems pretty solid. So I don't know what the deal is. I'm not sure what to do. I don't know if I have to take all these boxes off. It's bright here, so it's probably screwing up the film, but take those boxes off so I can get in and get up to where this rod is, up through the whole side of the thing. But anyway, I was tinkering with this morning before we go to work.
Back. Well, up there, everything popped apart.
Yeah.
And it allowed your window to come out. Maybe the window has to come out.
Oh yeah, I think we gotta take it right out. Yeah.
It's just like windshield on a duster. Same story.
Is it?
Yeah.
Only bigger, and I don't know what that windshield's probably $1,200.
Bigger and harder to find, probably.
Yeah, I bet it's harder to find. I can't believe it didn't get broke. Just popped out of the grommet. All right, well, I'm gonna do a little more work on this. While I got this apart, I'm gonna check things out, make sure there's no wires got mangled up and that kind of thing, and make sure none of these things got screwed up. Well, I already see a wire missing on that. That's probably this one right here. Looks like somebody unhooked it.
Yeah.
Wonder why. That looks like an air pressure sensor of some sort, so I have to check into that. I could do that. All right. Talk to you later.